Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna be doing my Capricorn makeup from the Zodiac series. I'm gonna be working with brown and black, but first I'm gonna use my NYX Angel Way Skin Perfecting Primer. I was talking a lot about this primer in my previous videos. I really love it. It's a really good primer. I recommend it highly. But this is the first primer that I've ever used, so I can't compare it to others. Then I'm using my Maybelline Affinity Tone foundation in the color 14 Creamy Beige because I've run out of my Garnier BB cream and I have some foundations. It's a pretty nice foundation and it looks pretty good on my skin. It's an old foundation, but it wasn't doing anything bad and it wasn't smelling bad, so I was brave enough to use it. I don't like this foundation because it's hard to blend it for me, but I blend it out nicely. It's super nice, looking good on my skin, and it's the right tone for me. So it's a beautiful foundation. It's hard for me to blend it, and that's the thing that I don't really like it about. But when I blend it out, it's beautiful. It's a really good foundation. But I don't know, maybe I won't use BB cream again, or maybe I'm gonna be using a lighter BB cream. I don't know what I will do. Maybe I'm gonna switch to another foundation. Then I'm using my Miss Sporty So Matte Coverstick in the color Light 001 Light, and yeah, maybe this is the last time that I'm gonna be using it. As you can see, I was struggling a lot with it to get the last pieces out, and there's still a little in it, but just can't get it out, so I don't know, maybe I'm gonna be using a brush to get out the last ones, but I don't know, maybe it's time to throw it out. We'll see what will happen. So for the next step, I use my Maybelline Affinity Tone powder in the color 17 beige pinkish, just to set the places where I used my cover stick, and my foundation was pretty good, so it's a good foundation at this point, because sometimes I use the powder to set my foundation too, but this foundation was sitting so nicely. Then I'm using my NYX HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. I really love this eyeshadow base. I'm really loving NYX, so I can be a little bit biased or biased. How do you say it? It's so hard for me to pronounce some words. Sorry for that. Then I'm using my NYX Escape Artist eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a light brown from this first. No, I was using the dark brown first. Sorry for that. I'm a little bit tired right now. Just to contour my nose. I don't know why. I just wanted to contour my nose today, and it was a little bit too pigmented for me, so I used my beauty blender to blend it out nicely. Then I used from this palette a light brown because I wanted to do some mask thing a little bit, like shaman or something like that look with these browns, because I was thinking, what should I do? I don't want it to do a nude look or something, so I wanted to make something more special, more interesting. You know that I don't do that much special makeups these days, and I really miss them, and I just wanted to finish this series because I wanted to have some inspiration and to practice a lot. So sometimes I did something nice, something simple, and sometimes I do something like this, but I can't wait for October to get back all the special effects makeup and this stuff. Then from this palette again, I used a little bit darker brown. I worked my way up on these browns. There are so many beautiful browns in that palette. I'm studying English still, and I'm getting better, I think. So I was using these beautiful browns, and they're super gorgeous, gorgeous, just simply gorgeous. So I was using them. There are so many. They are so beautiful and they are close in tone. Some of them a little bit different, and they looked super nice. And I was just building up this look, and at the end, all the colors were gonna be tied together. This look. Then again, a darker brown, and I was doing from the outside the lighter colors and inside the darker colors. I don't know why, I just wanted to do it like this, and it turned out to be nice, I think. But you're gonna see the end result and you can decide it for yourself. I really enjoyed making this makeup and I loved doing it, and it was something that I didn't do before, so it was interesting and a learning experience for me. So again, this palette, I just can't get enough from this palette. I was just brushing out everything at my eyes, brushing out with that color again, and a little bit other colors mixing together just to blend it out and make a nice smooth transition through the colors. Now I'm using my NYX In Your Realm and Fire eyeshadow palette. You know guys, I love this palette. I can't live without this palette, and it was a limited edition, so I'll have some problems in the future. So I used the black color to do my eyebrows because I wanted to highly define eyebrows, and when I want that I'm using black, and it looked super nice with this. And I just wanted plain black smoked out eyes because I thought it's gonna be looking good with this look, and I think I was right, but everyone have their own taste and style, so if you don't like it, then it's okay. I loved it, and that's what's matters. Blah. And that is what matters to me the most. I told you I'm learning English, and I'm getting better, and I'm learning English because I want to learn other languages, and doing language learning is easier in English sometimes because I can get access to more um, books and this stuff in English, and I'm using Duolingo, so, and there's the English, the base language there. So after this I used again the NYX Escape Artist, the darkest brown color that I used before on my lips to line my lips with that, because I thought it's gonna be looking good, a darker outline and so much lighter nude-ish brown lipstick, because I had some nude lipsticks but I don't know where I put it, so I don't know the color. It's a kiss proof lipstick that I got from AliExpress. So that's the finished look. It's a little bit weird, but this is what I wanted to achieve. I wanted to be weird. So that's it. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section, and see you next video. Bye!